All right, hello. This is going over number 6 from the review 7173. Can I ask a few questions about this? It's a good question. I'm glad people are asking. So we're continuous interest. Okay, so I know I'm going to use this PERT formula. Okay, and I'm going to fill in whatever I know. So I don't know the principal. In fact, that's what I'm trying to calculate here, how much starting money I need. The rate as a decimal is 5%, so I move it over twice. Okay, and then the years are 3. Okay, and so I really want to know, when does that equal $820? Okay, so this becomes an equation I'm going to solve, which is kind of intimidating at first, but realize that E is actually not a variable. It's like 2.7 or something like that, right? So how I'm going to start this one is this whole thing is just a number, right? So I'm going to do that on my calculator. So I'm going to do second e to the x, and then probably should do parentheses just to be safe. 0.05 times 3. Okay, and I get something like 1.162. So this is P times 1.162, and that equals 820. Okay, and so now I need to just solve that for P, so I just need to divide both sides by this. Okay, and there might be some rounding problems on this, because depending on if you rounded this number or not, you'll get a kind of a different answer. But the best way to do it instead of round is I can just take 820 and then divide by my previous answer. So I hit second in this little button down here, and that gives me my previous answer. And then that'll give me the most accurate answer. So that's 705 and 78. So that's 705 and 78 cents. Okay, so that's how much we would need initially to get to 820 after 3 years of continuous interest of 5%. All right, hopefully that helps.